Right now, two people are reading this. One of them will be rich in 10 years, the other, one not. Same income, same city, same starting point. So, what's the difference? It's not luck. It's not a secret stock tip. It's four simple moves. And most people only ever use one of them. Today, I'm breaking down all four, and I'll show you why number three, the one almost nobody talks about, quietly creates more millionaires than the other three combined. Let's keep this simple. Imagine two friends, same job, same salary, same age. Fast forward 10 years. One of them owns a home, runs a side business, and has investments quietly growing. The other is still living paycheck to paycheck, even though they worked just as hard. The gap was not talent, it was not even income. It was four specific moves one of them made and the other one never even knew existed. Let's open the playbook. Here are the four ways real wealth gets built. Stay with me. Number three is the one that changes everything. Move one. Build a skill people will pay for again and again. Think of it like a money machine. You build it once, then it keeps paying you year after year. Most people stop learning the day they get a job. The wealthy never do. Move two. Stop just picking fruit. Plant the tree. A salary is fruit you pick once. A business, property, or asset is a tree. It keeps growing fruit on its own. This is the move that separates earning a living from building wealth. And now, the one almost everyone skips. Move 3. Time, multiplying on itself. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it barely grows, but give it time. It becomes an avalanche. Most people ignore this because it's boring. There's no excitement in year 1 or year 3. But by year 15, that boring snowball is unstoppable. This is why someone who starts small at 25 often ends up wealthier than someone who starts big at 40. Move 4. Protect it, avoid debt traps, avoid emotional decisions. Building wealth without protecting it is like filling a bucket with a hole in the bottom. Remember those two friends from earlier? The one who got ahead didn't get lucky. They simply stacked these four moves, especially move 3, and let time do the heavy lifting. The other friend, still waiting for the right moment to start. Here's the twist. There is no right moment. There's only now. And every year you wait, the snowball starts smaller. So here's the truth. Wealth isn't about one big move. It's skill, it's ownership, it's time, it's protection. And the one most people ignore, time multiplying on itself, is usually the one that matters most. If this opened your eyes even a little, hit follow. Because next time, I'm breaking down exactly how to start move number 3, even with a small amount.